guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be giving you step-by-step guides on copy trading on Bybit. Then I'm going to give you strategy how to find a good trader to copy on this in this video. So make sure you stay to the end of the video to understand the whole process. I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with Bybit. After you create your account with Bybit using the link in the video description, you need to verify your account. After you verify your account, you need to deposit and fund your account. After you do that, you have to come over here to these tools and you press this copy trading. After pressing this copy trading, first you need to do is know what you're about to do. Copy trading is all about copy someone that anytime they make a trade, you are willing to place the same trade on the trade they make. So after the whole process, the trader is going to take a percentage from your profit he makes copying his trade. That's how this works. So you need to do your own research to know how this works. When you know how these things work, the copy trading on this Bybit, now you have to find someone that is a good trader, because you are not a good trader but you want to trade, but by copying you can trade on this Bybit, which is a good strategy. Right now you won't be going for someone that just have luck, like maybe 7 days. These are the top trader by ROI in 7 days, that return on investment. This is the number one guy over here. Someone, even though you as a beginner, you can have luck to buy some certain coin, then to have this kind of profit in 7 days. So you are not choosing blindly. Right here you have to come to these options over here, all master traders. After this all master traders, you have to search this option over here. This is where this thing gets interesting. You have to search 90 days. The reason you need to search 90 days is someone cannot be lucky in 3 months times. It's not possible. So searching 90 days, you know someone that is gambling, and you know someone that's lucky, and you know someone that is a professional trader. You see this guy over here, this number one guy, real reward. Yes, 151.69% return on investment in 90 days. Mind you, this relatively high ROI on investment. If you can have this kind of you are able to copy this guy. Right now this guy right now you cannot copy, is full already, and there is this guy over here you can copy. So there is this guy over here you can copy, and if you see the rate to win or on these guys is like 80%. Like if they make like 100 trade, they are winning like 83 trade out of 100 trade. That's 83.61% on trade. So right now you'll be able to copy the second guy right here, but you won't be able to copy this third and fourth guy. So you just have to scroll down and find the best option. Since you are finding someone that have a good return on investment in 3 months, then you can check. Right now if you want to copy this second guy over here, you can now check right here to see like how you're actually performing, and the breakdown of this how he's making money and how he's losing money. So because if someone is copying this guy around here and he stop copying this next day and next day, yeah, so you don't have to stop. I don't know how you are willing to risk your assets, but if you lose today and you stop copying this guy and you make another profit tomorrow, and you try to copy again and you lose again, so that's not advisable. So right now this guy over here is trading this kind of pair. The coin is trading is not that kind of high volatile trade. Is trading Ethereum and Bitcoin and like the LDO coin. So this is what this guy is doing right here, and copying this guy, you'll be able to follow all his traits, and right here you can choose it to check this, and you have chance, you have a lot of information to choose. Maybe you want to trade it, you want to copy this guy or not. You can do the same thing to do another person over here. This the sixth guy over here. I'm going to press this guy, the money training. So you have to come over here again. In 7 days, this guy has 20% return on investment, and this how he's performing this in 7 days. So he has this 241 loss, and he has 327.95 dollar in single day, and he has this 14, let's say $14 loss, and the next day he has 120. This guy relative has good performance in 7 days, and you remember I choose to find someone that is performing like 90 days, so you will know that this guy is not like, he's not lucky, he's actually know what he's doing. And this is the token he's trading CRV, USDT pair, and LTC, that's Litecoin and Matic coin, and this is the coin this guy is trading right now. If once you decide that you're okay with these guys, with this guy, and you already make 74 trade, and he has almost like 997 followers, people that are following this guy right now, you can just, there is this 3 slot left. Since you agree, yeah, this guy convince you to follow him, or to trade, you are okay with this guy right now, then you have to press copy. You have to press this copy. Once you press copy, you have to enter the value of amount of money you'll be copying. Let's say for instance, you start with 100, you start with 1000 USDT, and you said once you lose 20% on your investment, you are willing to go out of this, copying this guy over here, then you have to press, right now you have to press 200. 20% of 1000 USDT is $200. So right now you don't have to worry. Right now you know that once this guy, you are copying this guy, you don't have to worry to come out, copy this guy. Once you lose this kind of money, this system will automatic stop you from trading, copy this guy's trade. And if it's also making money, you have to just come to this website, your account, just download this, just monitor this guy over here on your main account. I'm going to show you that right away. And over here you have option to manage the risks, because this available risk following that this guy can actually enter trade, and you have to buy in the wrong price. So only this is going to give you guys in a good price once this guy trades. If this guy make a trade and you are unable to enter a trade with this guy, and the same times when you are copy this guy with this kind of copy guide over here, is going to wait for this guy, for the price to come down to where actually this guy open the trade and open your trade also. Once you agree with this, then you just have to press I've agreed. Or if you want more function, to select type of token you want to trade, or you want to like for example I say 20% loss, and you want to take profits, and once this guy make 20% return on investment, let's say you are willing to 20% return on investment in a week, this guy, your trade is going to be close immediately, and you don't have to worry to stay online to check this guy. Maybe it's you are in profit or not. Since you have said this, you want to let this system close your trade you are copying if you lose 20%, and you want to take profit when you make 20% return on investment. And again, you can edit the token you want to be trading with this guy. The guy can make trade C ICP pair. If you don't choose this coin right now, once this guy make this kind of trades, you won't be able to copy because you don't like this kind of pair. Or right now you just want to trade BTC and Ethereum and this kind of Litecoin, you can always choose this kind of pair to minimize your risk. Once this guy is trading a high risk token, you don't have to worry. This trade is not going to, you are not going to copy this trade because you have excluded this kind of, you see right now 66 56 right now. If I exclude another one, so this Dogecoin, if once this guy is trading this kind of coin, he's not going to copy, you will not be able to copy this because you are not willing to, you are not even willing to trade risk assets. So, and after that you can go back and press agree, and you'll be able to copy now. Right now, since I'm just making an explanation video, I'm not copying this guy, and that's how you'll be able to copy this guy right now. And he only have 3 slots left, and so that's how to copy trade on Bybit. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.